Hello everyone, so welcome to the next video of Python. So in this video I will tell you about string formatting and inserting. So basically what is string formatting? String formatting or inserting means you can format a string or you can insert a string at a certain sequence. So if I tell you about if I tell you in practical example, you you will get to know about it. That is, suppose my name is equals to Python. So Python is so my name is assigned to Python. So now if you want to do like this, hello, and if you give my name, it will print hello Python. This falls under the category of string formatting. Means you are assigning Python to a variable known as my name, and then you are print a string is you are providing a string hello, and you are adding. In this case it will I will not say this is add, this is a concatenation. You are concatenating my name to this string hello, and my name has the value of Python, so it is displaying the result as hello Python. So this is string formatting. Basically in string format there is one method known as dot format method. There is a method dot format method which will help you in many scenario in programming. I will tell you in how. Suppose if you want to print dot format method is useful in the case of insertion. It is useful in case of string insertion or inserting something. So how this is helpful I am showing it to right now. Suppose this is a string, and if you want to insert some variable or some value over here, then what you have to do, you have to provide two curly brackets like this in a the whole line we have to it have to be in a quotation, and then after the quotation you have to write dot format and then open two brackets, and then you have to write insertion, and then close this, then close this. And if you print this, it will return the result like this. This is a string insertion. So this is the function of dot format. Basically what is doing, if you suppose you are printing a string, this is a string, it is printing this is a string, and then there is two curly brackets. So these two curly brackets is for this value. Means this is a string dot format is using to print the string over this, and dot format have a value of a string insertion. So this is printing this is a string insertion. I am showing one more example. Suppose print, you can do like this also. The you can do like you can always place multiple value over here, dot format, and you can place some random value. Suppose a b c, like d e f g h i. So what is the result of this? The abc def ghi. That means it will take respectively with this, respectively with this. Means the curly bracket dot format, and what is the value of format? First value is abc, so it will assign to the first curly bracket. The second value is def, so it will assign to the second curly bracket, and the third value is ghs, so it will assign to the third place of the curly bracket. So in this case you can always print like this. There is one more, and there is one more strategy also. You can apply one more method. The you can assign a tuple over here also. Python and But you can do basically over here dot format. You can mention a key. Suppose you write p equals to python I equals to is and g equals to, and if you print this, what will provide the python is good. The python is good. It contains a grammatical error, but ignore my grammatical error. This is actually not making any sense, but I am showing you the what you can do with specifying a list or specifying a key value. Here is the value of p, and p is assigned to python, and here is the value of I is assigned to is, and here is the value of g is assigned equals to good. So that is why it is printing the python is good. P for p, which is python, I for I, which is, and g for g, which is good. So that is why it is printing python is good. So this is the result of this is. And there is one case, and there is, you always remember the float formatting value. Suppose you want to uh, result equals to 100 divided by 100 divided by 777, print result. It is printing a huge number of float numbers. Suppose you want to print up to third decimal, so in that case what do we have to do? Print it also belongs to the same string formatting category, which I will use the dot format method. The result after three decimal is like this: r 1.3f, and then dot format r equals to result. Put another way. The three decimal is 0.129. So if you want to print the whole huge value of float into three decimal, you can do like this: print the result after three decimal is, you can't take result over here, so it will give you error. So you have to assign with another variable r semicolon 1.3f. Basically 1.3f means it you have to you are telling the console to print up to print the float value up to three decimal place. Correct. So that means after three decimals means 0.128, after 8 there is 7. So that is why it is adding plus 1, because after, because when it comes after 4, when it comes there is 5 6 7 8, it added plus 1 to the previous value, so it is printing 0.129. Basically it is correcting to up to 3 decimal places. And then you have to mention r equals to result. Similarly, what I am telling, that if you take result over here, result result 1.3f, and if you close this, so it will give you error because result is nothing. So you have to take this statement only like this. You have to take r as another variable, and then format r equals to result. Basically this, the value of r is getting stored over here, and after this it is correcting. So this is the case of string formatting and indexing. I hope you will like this video. So thank you for watching the video.